What are you putting in your trolley, Zaya?
I don't know.
You putting poo-poo?
Okay, can you?
No, leave that. Do you think I can fit in your trolley?
Yeah.
Okay, let me get in. Let me get in.
What? You're too big.
What?
You're too bigger. You're too big.
What kind of big? Like adult big or like big?
A big.
Ew. Oh, this is nice lighting. What is up, SV squad? Back again with another video here with my squad. Little squad. Hey, so. No. And we really want to go for a swim right now, but I don't know if I want to because I had a shower this morning and I wet my hair. You know, trying to preserve shampoo and conditioner. This should be funny. Hello. So the other day I went to the farm and I obviously wore the wrong shirt because now I'm peeling on my back, and Siosi's at home because he just got back from the farm, so he was really tired and he didn't want to come because he said he just wanted to watch Becca's games and sleep. So it's just us here and my parentals. Miss Chrissy. Hi, Chrissy.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Do you want to say something?
I had a rub on my head.
Do you want to say something?
Huh?
Do you want to say something?
Oh. Yeah. You know what? My sister went down there.
Oh.
They actually say, no, you're not allowed to come.
Oh, okay. Oh, I might drop my camera. I'm scared. I might drop my camera. Oh, it is so beautiful. It's so nice and clear again. I'm going in the shade. This is so nice. Is this what she's showering in?
That's what my mom said.
Okay, we'll get in. Oh, sorry guys, I just forgot to vlog the food because I was too hungry, you know what I'm saying? But here's our food, which these guys demolished. We've got some badminton set up over there. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Actually guys, you don't know, when I was in school, I was pro at badminton. Yeah! Hurry up. It's too full. I know, girl, what's the other one? Right. Wait, move ours back a bit to us. Our goal. Go, girl. So you go the front. What the hell? We are fire, girl. Hit it. Get it, girl. Get it, Samara. Because over your head. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Yeah! You go get it. Oh! Step 2, Aussie, right here. 1-0. Get it, Vicky, come on. What? Then look what son. Nee, jongen, hou vella. Hallo. Ang si vella ke maoi. Le muper muro.
Maar jij bent weer alleen
What is up, guys? I know. So, welcome back to another video. We just finished church. And if you follow me on my Snapchat, if you don't, pause this video, go and follow me. Down below is my username. And I cut my hair. Yeah, I would have seen on, you know, Snapchat. But we rushed home because my dad's coming home from Samoa today. And look at that, guys. Look at my perfection.
Don't lie.
Siaosi.
Don't lie, girl.
I don't understand what is wrong with you.
I just slice and buy this thing because I know.
Okay, so alright. Siaosi bought it. Yeah, that was Siaosi's idea to do it. But you know what? As soon as we got home, his fat butt sat right there in front of the TV.
Hey guys, don't listen to her. She's lying.
Whatever. They know I'm telling the truth. You guys, you know I wouldn't lie.
I'm telling the truth.
I wouldn't lie to SB Squad.
So what for? I'm telling the truth.
Okay, but did you cut up the garlic? Did you cut up the rosemary? Did you
just only that thing? That's only that thing.
Well, what else is there?
I just slice to make it nice and put it there.
You didn't put it there, Siaosi. I put it on there.
Shut up.
This guy always tries to take credit. No, yes, and he's gonna, I bet you anyone he's gonna go to my parents' house and tell everyone he did it. Yeah. Boy, please, they know it was me. No. Yes, because I was getting so mad at you because you kept watching the Sevens, and I was like, Siaosi, get your big stinky ass and now, up off that chair and help me.
I'm cooking salad too.
Yeah, that's your puka. You can claim that one. What? You can claim that one.
I'll do that first. The first time, just put it. Just you do it. I'll do that first. The first time, just put it. Just you do it.
What are you? Spit it out, Siaosi. What are you trying to say? Spit it out.
Only thing you do, just put it inside the oven.
But did you put all that stuff on there? Siaosi, I can't honestly. Okay, guys. So this is what Siaosi cut them up and just left them in the sink. All right. So I came in, I chopped up garlic and I stuck them inside the slits and some rosemary for both of them.
Hey.
Got it. So these are our lamb racks. I've got banana cake cooking. Yeah, I couldn't be bothered for the butter to melt. And we've got some brownie in there as well, which I'm excited about. So Siaosi's pretty happy because Samoa got up to the semi-finals, quarter-finals.
Not sure.
Yeah, not sure because we're waiting for England to lose.